Hi, Andy here. I just want to show off some new software that we're going to be using going forwards for capturing amends and changes to websites. It's a nice little bit of software, and hopefully it's going to save some back and forwards with emails and phone calls and stuff like that. It should really streamline the process for both my end and the clients. So this is a demo site. So we've got a little bit of content here. So I'm going to log in as though I'm the client. So /wp-admin. And then I'm going to stick in username and password. And that's going to log me in. Once I'm in, I'm just going to go straight to the front end of the site. And you may have noticed that there's this big plus button in the corner of the page. Now this plus is going to appear whenever a client's logged into the site, everywhere on the site. So here it is on the home page, here it is on the contact page. If I go back into the dashboard, it's still there. And let's just go back to the home page. Now what it does, it allows you, the client, to comment on the website, but comment in very specific places. So instead of sending an email, can you change the phone number? And then there's some back and forward saying, right, which phone number, where is it on the site? This allows you to tag the thing that you want to change. So I'm just going to show you how this works. So let's say I want to change this photograph over here. I'm going to click on the plus. I'm going to click on the photograph and I'm going to say, can you please change this to a dog? And I'm going to hit comment. Now what's happened in the background is I've received an email. It goes into my work queue. It's issued a ticket number. And I can change it, make the amend, leave a note, and you'll get an email notification that it's been done. But what this allows me to do is everything is tagged on the site. So it's really easy to find where things go. So let me just give you another quick example. Make this red. Okay. So each time one of these gets added in, I'll show you what's happening in the background. So if I go into the dashboard and WP feedback, there's this whole section now where everything that needs to be done is getting logged. Allows for communication, allows to say whether it's urgent or not. It allows me to receive very specific information. So the kind of questions I'll sometimes ask, like how big was the screen, what browser were you using, this is automatically going to come through to me. Now, the other thing you'll be able to see, you can see a lot of this information on the home page as well, or I should say on the front end. So if I click on this, it gives us a full list of everything that's going on the site. Now, the other one that's quite useful to show you is if I just go back into there and say general task, I can leave comments that are general to the whole website. So not specific to a particular item on a specific page. It can be things like, can we get an SSL certificate? And again, that goes into the work queue. It's all there. It's all stuff that can be dealt with and it'll all get done in order of process. So hopefully that's going to streamline things. You'll notice it start to appear on your websites if you've already a client with me. And if I'm in the process of building a site for you, then that'll be on there and I'll send you some more instructions. Okay, speak to you soon.